Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn on and off GPS location on Android. Firstly, open the settings. Tap on the settings app on your Android device. Then go to location. Scroll down until you'll find location and select it. Finally, enable location. Move the slider to on to turn on location services. This will enable apps and services to access the device's location. If you want to adjust permissions for specific apps, you can do so from the App Permissions section within the location settings. Also, you can just slide down the menu and long press on the location icon on your phone to activate it or deactivate it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.